TV GH Toronto, Canada. Bari bin, bari wun, bari bem. Ear.
Milo TV, varabim, varabum, varabim.
Yeah. Hello, TV people, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe, we are like, comment, and share. Okay, obviously, for a say, beer, hi, Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe, so no first time we are like, no comment, and fee. Wash, hey, Toronto, as usual, yatanasi. Now, the beer may come see you will be my so, and I ba abesue, abrofo my so. What do we have to do? I was see sooner, or do's and the don'ts, or rules and regulations. Or see the tree, and there are so many YouTubers, and they omo eboa na ya spread the information, ya spread the news, whatever Canada immigration brings on board. Yes, and that's sorry and send be a cost ni na say opposition, ye come opposition na oreya ni picture at that camera nanim no. Your friend Pierre Poilievre, conservative ekuno, wono and a dano, yes. So over here, couple of months ago, say ye quite chica cry in true back na ye a bra or a friend Justin Pierre Trudeau no tear Benyan sono. Not papa Pierre Poilievre, not all man opposition. Of course, no punchy and fit, no punchy na and summer air coso air beninano. Na you ray Pierre Poilievre and I just say. What is answering in neighbor? Na senko tina benyu so de aminim de enko be now. And some of what can you na say? One tina Canada. Emma sebie so. Ni pebi o mon sem fata emfri wo mo maimu. Emma krudue mu. Na wo mo emfa koti kwan so anye den. Emeye enema basa. Na won say Canada di no one tanishe Canada image. Our both international level and local level na. Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Now, and some of you Ray Eka and now Pierre Poilievre. We say Canada, strongest party is a one, a what Canada no, Libra, our referendum, Joseph McCartney, what dano, no, Trudeau free on, and you know, and Trudeau obedient to on one resign, no pressure air corner so. Giddy. No, so or your ma into also resign in time a man ma and or resign ya Joseph McCartney by and on so yet or better us now. Yen to us for our whole sad time on a quiet say no being so opposition crowd dear okay can call a 10 years a tree be or moko coso on ma moko parliament one and send be a coco so a war Ottawa na as one and so catch but still. Nyame eboaye Emma o referend Joseph McCartney by na McCartney by no na wosenka abato no nkenyen rio abato no nkenyen rio no it was na kombe yebeto aba the month of November is it November? Yes, it was November 28 2025 yeah McCartney by no betwe by chiri and e to aba no somewhere match nyame atom nkonimdi ebeye Libra de now owura Pierre Poilievre say Tinton time. And you may be coso awo Canada. Nan kantesa bene agents mu obehe na wo yatwitu break and enter. Obehe no bi twika na wo twiafa nipa so. Obehe na kwabrane enima basa ebi mo tu excavator na o mako ATM machine no mako tu. Wose yete Canada yenhu bi da yente ni mpani nsem da. Kamia kwayese Trudeau bi mu nipa baye no. Sorry, a cromfo and a cronsum about Canada, my mo. And you see in the net here, and to no Pierre Poilievre, one na chita fortress say, and nay border no, was it one security agents or more and tighten a border no, and no netchino. So over here, nipa be a free amano nipa Canada. Nobody do Canada, and them say Canada a year land of immigrants and tino nipa ne bedru ya wose pemekume na osiki asylum obekum na ne nsema ekuta no ensem fata safo ni na sunu ne yedu o masem na se mo a yenyi o mumfiri o man no ebi mu so inadmissible omo sa no omo kra de omo hi omo okuru no mukura afei kamia koye se nipa bi ewo krodue mu a ɔmo yɛ atuturafoɔ ɔmo yɛ nipa bi a ne ni kwan so ɔmo ba Canada ɛna turu ɔmo a ɔmo baayɛ sɛ ɔbɛkae a bɛyɛ a year or before a year kuo bi na ɔka saafoɔ no Bin Laden foɔ no bi ho a ɔmo kɔ kye no na ɔsɛ nka ɔkɔ blast Jewish community a wɔ US ɛna ɔmo kye no ɛwɔ US border hɔ ɔsɛ aden na sɛ ɔmo saa akɔ no free is it free India side hɔ no Pakistan no is it Pakistan or nkurɔfoɔ bɛ na India na ɔmo nkan I think sɛ ɔmo a free saa side hɔ baabi na ɔbaayɛ ɔsɛ aden nti na ɔbɛbie dɔɔ na ɔmo wɔ bi a sɛbisɛbi ɔwɔ criminal background na ɔba Canada now ɛwɔ sɛ these 600 criminals I Libra government who baby on they have to track all these people go for ba and yes Canada edin essay ewo adwaman so ensem pii na yura your friend Pierre Poilievre or the etudwa na chese enye easy or say temporary your friend mostly I know more to me ma nipa be free outside eba Canada omo ba no mo be ye adwuma o Canada ebi mutimi fa ho wo na o mapɛ o PR ebi mutini nya oba no mo ware no mo nya o PR o se ne tintontan o mo nkate ne down afa international student ni nyina no ye nkate ne down chese nya easy ensem a yura Pierre Poilievre ka de se de o se eba ne san ye tie mamu na yen timamufo ye nya adwuma nye na yakoso ni bebie free abonten no maba guys de America nyina no so wo ye Ghana ni a ede na aba utrim especially if you know Canada, what are you thinking? Pacho, teen ye ba. So we are going ne what we do Canada. Na say opa sit now episode na Canada. Get closer to a regulated Canadian immigration lawyer or a consultant. Okay, what did the American? Sansa mo any limity. That was our further no. Omo na bebo anya sa or to a bit me aden. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, mommy yanko ni yanko tie nsema ura your friend Pierre Poilievre awada conservative ekuna no wode betuja ensem ni.
Anyone who has been deemed inadmissible, they need to be deported. We need to bring way down the numbers of international students, of temporary foreign workers, people who are not real refugees, all our security agencies to find out where they are, to locate them, arrest them, put them on planes, get them out of Canada.
It seems like the entire Western world, including the Liberals, have realized that out-of-control immigration is a problem, but Canada is the only country without a solution to fix it. And you don't have sovereignty without control of the borders, so I'm wondering what your plan is to fix it and get illegal migrants out of this country.
Thank you. Well, anyone who has been deemed inadmissible needs to leave and they need to be deported. Anyone who commits a crime while they're in Canada, they need to be immediately detained, and when their detention is complete, they need to be deported from the country. We need to track down the roughly 600 criminals that the Liberals have lost track of. That means using all our security agencies to find out where they are, to locate them, arrest them, put them on planes, get them out of Canada. We need to make it clear that anyone who commits a hate crime or an act of violence against an identifiable group should be, that is not a citizen and not a permanent resident, needs to be deported from this country. We need to get rid of the incentives for people to come here that are not real refugees. So we need a review of all the benefits that go to people who come as asylum claimants, to make sure they're not getting more benefits than Canadian taxpayers get. And those that arrive last should be their cases should be treated first, so that they know that they'll be leaving quickly. That will get the message back to the country of origin that if you come to Canada and you're not a real refugee, your case will be heard in a few weeks and you'll be back in your own country. That would, right now, there's the opposite incentive. People who are not real refugees come into Canada and they say, well, even if I'm rejected, I'll have 7 or 8 years of appeal, during which time they get all kinds of benefits. If we was very clear that the benefits wouldn't be there, that they would be sent back within a couple of weeks, they wouldn't come in the first place. We need to secure our borders, to stop the crossings. And more broadly on immigration, we need to bring way down the numbers of international students, of temporary foreign workers, that are flooding our markets with low-wage labor. The big corporations love it because they can drive down wages for Canadian youth who are facing unprecedented unemployment. The temporary foreign worker program was not meant to drive down wages. It was meant to fill jobs that Canadians could not or would not do particularly in agriculture. Now it's just become a full-purpose thing that Starbucks or anyone else can use to drive wages down. If they're having a hard time getting Canadian youth working, what they need to do is raise wages. So we need to cut back on the temporary foreign worker program. And finally, the overall number needs to go down. Over the next several years, we actually need more people leaving than coming. That's net negative migration. And so that's what I've said. We've got these millions of people whose visas are going to come up. When their visas run out, they're not eligible to stay. They need to be told to leave. And if they don't leave, then obviously they need to be deported. And that will allow us our housing, health care, and jobs to catch up with the number of people in our country. Thank you.
Okay, na abusunya wako hwe aba the okay nyina ne say hey tin tuntan foreign temporary workers no hey yen cutting it down hey wo mo beto mu school so hey yen cutting it down afi ebiri bi etwa mu so obeka yen ye time no obi ba na osiki asylum ebe take ni be ye 5 6 7 years ansa na wo hu ne faith especially obi a omo refuse no so omo refuse obi simple oya no the first hearing court no appearance no say omo refuse na omo say ko nipa no kwa no ya appeal it take be a year or year and a half e be 2 years ansana na appeal no ya fresh womra owia no apply for humanitarian and so be taking be a couple of years and nipa no won komra no atena Canada be say mfinhia pole enwotwe anasa nson ano na peer police chese da bi tinton time hey ene ye kanya frichi omo bae enche ye no ye ene nipa no ba no osiki a mo na bosoma be se num ana che nsia wudi ne yi na mo mfre na muni na asem sa asem na ho ntansa bod na ne de enye da sa mfa no nko na so obi e wo Canada na oba so obesra nsrahwe ana ase mpo nipa no te system no mu na ye refugee mpo na okoye bibia nsem fata eno chese nipa no onye ni papa or criminal background na simple onye ni pa obetimi atena omanmu abeye oman papa nti ntempana also mu oya na a free system no Milo TV Toronto Canada subscribe it we are like no comment no share now we a latest news ene enya ya yese ye bona do boane be sanim ama ye hwefo ne etifo obi bi enye bi now Ghana for our system no mu no enye nyina na ya frɛ say media ye di asem yadi bi mo asem ebi mo nya ebi mo nso ewo ho a omo aya appeal a obekọ second appearance ebi mo eye pre-hearing trials ebi mo nso nyame adom mutie didim but then you a whole lot a yem frɛ wo no guys let us wake up kwanya obefa so obinya setena bia no I'm not telling you, I'm not forcing you, but nipa obedu system no mu a obeso o pass setena no otena system no mu no wo and I may refer this information to you. You go straight to the comment section, put whatever you have in mind. Mommy and more boy, young wati, and no ana eboa, ama Ghana for ya say adore ye, pa say the India for, I say adore say the China for, say the Italy for, a basa eboa. Sansen Penise, Baku or Redra, Ayana Eku. Meaning the Prince Cojuteria. Subscribe it. Or be to be added to the American one, added Fakang, Nema program now. And you're credible.
Milo TV. Bada boom, bada bim. Bim, bim, bim. Number 1 TV station in the whole worldwide.
TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bim.